Hi everyone, I'm Krista Walter and I'm going to be your professor for English 1B. Welcome. I just wanted to send you a quick video recording to introduce myself and to tell you a little bit about the course. I've been teaching for a long time, as you can probably tell from this mop of white hair. I started teaching English full-time as a professor after I got my PhD from UC Irvine in 1992. And I've been teaching at PCC for the last 20 years, and I love my job. I teach all of the writing classes that we have here, English 1A, 1B, and 1C, and I also teach American literature, California literature, and sometimes I teach creative nonfiction. I love to teach outdoors. I teach in the study abroad programs whenever I can. I'm hoping to teach the Oxford program in 2021 with my colleague and friend Erica Cataniza from Natural Sciences. She and I love to team teach. We love to combine environmental science and critical thinking and composition. And we love to design programs that take students outside hiking and camping and learning outdoors. So if you're interested in any of those courses, please feel free to ask me anytime. But here we are in 1B. Welcome. This is one of my favorite courses to teach because the focus is literature. We are going to read and talk and write about some wonderful writers. As you can see, we are on the home page for the course. I'm just going to scroll down here a little bit. And you're welcome to scroll around and take a look at the syllabus. Next time I'm going to walk you through it and say a bit more about what to expect. I will say that students in previous classes loved the materials that we read. And whether or not you feel confident as a writer, you will gain confidence from this course. About that, I have no doubt. So welcome to English 1B. I'm a real person. I'm not a robot. I'm here to help, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you. Bye.